Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Glassdoor user account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the email verification process and fully access the platform. Step 1. Navigate to glassdoor.com in your web browser and click on the Sign In button in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Enter your email address and password to log into your Glassdoor account. If you signed up using Google or Facebook, select the appropriate login option. Step 3. After logging in, look for a notification banner at the top of the page prompting you to verify your email address. Step 4. Click on your profile icon or name in the top right corner and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 5. In the Account Settings page, locate the Email or Email Verification section. Step 6. If your email is not verified, you'll see an option to resend verification email. Click this button to receive a new verification email. Step 7. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Glassdoor with a subject line like "Please verify your email address" or "Confirm your Glassdoor account." Step 8. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This link will direct you back to Glassdoor and automatically verify your email address. Step 9. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation message on Glassdoor indicating that your email has been successfully verified. Step 10. Return to your account settings to ensure that your email address now shows as verified, which will unlock full access to Glassdoor features including posting reviews, salaries, and job applications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.